sacred chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do you? It goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, the major lift, the baffler king compose, and hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. I saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty in the moonlight overthrew you. She tied you to the kitchen chair, she broke your throne, she cut your hair. From your lips she drew the hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Baby, I've been here before. I know this room, I walk this floor. I used to live alone before I knew you. I've seen you flag the marble arch. Love is another victory march. It's a cold and it's broken. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. I did my best, it wasn't much. I couldn't feel, so I tried to touch. I've told the truth, I didn't come to follow you. Even though it's all went wrong, I stand before the Lord of songs with nothing on my tongue but hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.